Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install DJI Assistant 2. Upgrade the firmware on the RC controller and the Mini 3 Pro with a computer. I tried to update using the Wi-Fi and the controller and kept getting a server error, so this is another method you can use to update your Mini 3 Pro. There's links to the software and timecode in the description so you can quickly find the section you need. I've sped up the downloads of progress bars because who wants to watch progress bars, right? This video is sponsored by DavinciResolveTitles.com. They make awesome title packs with DaVinci Resolve, and if you want a free title pack, there's a link in the description below. Let's get into it. Open the DJI website, so you go to DJI.com, scroll right to the bottom, and then we should see support, and you're looking for Download Center. And then we want to go to Software, DJI Series 2, and you want the option that says DJI Assistant 2 Consumer Drone Series. And then you can either download the Mac or Windows version. As we can see here, it's got the Mini 3 Pro listed. So it's this one we want. Download the package, and it's about 500 meg, so it'll take a few minutes. Once you've downloaded it, double click the installer. If you get this error, there's an easy fix. Go into settings, privacy and security, scroll right to the bottom of here, and we'll see that it can open that. It was blocked. Just click open anyway. Use your password. I've added my password, press open anyway. Okay, if you get this message, just press open. Now we're into the installer, press continue, continue, agree, install. If it asks you your password, add that again. And we get this window here. Again, if it asks you for a password, just put it in. And there we go, it's done. And it wants you to do a quick restart on your Mac. We can now move the installer to the bin. Close this window, go to Launchpad, type in DJI, click on the DJI Assistant 2. Scroll down, agree to the terms and conditions. And when you get to data authorization, turn that on and turn device information on and press next. And you can join the product improvement system if you want to. And now it's asking us to plug in our controller. So I've just powered on the controller. It's loading up right now. Okay, so it's seen our controller. What I'm going to do is click on it to select it. And now we've got the firmware upgrade. All I'm going to do on this is click upgrade. Make sure your computer's connected to the internet, the device powers on, and you've got a good amount of battery, and you're using USB. Press start update. And then sit back and wait for the download. The firmware upgrade has 3 phases: download, transmitting and updating. And it's finally started to do the install on the remote control. So we see now we've got percentage. Hopefully this will be the last time it does the update. Alright, so computer says it's 100% done. That's good. Happy days. And then we can see my Mini 3 Pro is connected. So click on this. And we can see that there's a new version of firmware. All we're going to do now is press upgrade, press start update, and sit back and watch the progress bar. And that's how you do it. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below, hit that like button and smash that subscribe. Well, if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.